Samsung Unpacked 2023. It is the biggest event that Samsung runs every single year. Let's see what we expect to see in there. And before I start, this event will take place on the 1st of February this year, so 2 weeks from now. And the first thing we are expecting to see obviously is the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. We are expecting 3 main phones: the Samsung Galaxy S23, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is the main talk of the show. So the S23, according to some leaks, will have the same 6.1-inch Full HD Plus screen, the same 120Hz refresh rate, the same amount of RAM, the 8GB, and the same rear cameras, meaning a 50 megapixels primary sensor and a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto. So what's changing? Well, the main one is the new chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and this is a huge upgrade. But other than that, I don't see any other reason to upgrade this phone. If you have the Samsung Galaxy S22, I suggest you not upgrade and wait till next year. Second is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, which according to some leaks is packing a bigger 6.6-inch Full HD Plus screen with a larger 4700 mAh battery. Like I said, it's identical to the last year's one, and of course the new chipset. Otherwise the specs are identical. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, I suggest you not upgrade and wait till next year. Now the big boy, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which have a lot of leaks and different leaks, and each one is different from the other, but it is improved a bit. The first thing, the chipset, the 200 megapixels sensor is a huge one. But again, if you have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, I suggest you not upgrade and wait till next year. Now let's talk about more devices should be revealed on the event. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3 family. So this family had 3 devices: the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Pro, the Galaxy Book 3 Pro 360, and the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. And if the leaks are correct, the Ultra is a new add to this laptop list. Other than that, the main features are they are slim, light, portable, and have plenty of power. Now on to the next thing that will be revealed, the One UI 5.1. This is the UI that the Samsung S23 series will be run with, but it's not likely to have a huge difference from the last update. So last year we have seen the Galaxy Tab S8 coming with the S22 line, but this year we don't know if the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 will come with it or not. So we'll have to wait and see. And of course we will not see the Galaxy Z Fold 5 or the Z Flip 5 because these comes late in the year. That's all we think we will see. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know which device you are excited the best for. And if you like this type of content, please like the video, subscribe for more content, and thank you so much for watching. That was fun.